As I was getting ready to take this little pillow out of its plastic, right here, I wanted to show you, it said filled and finished in the USA. Now you don't see that very often, USA. So I wanted to bring you back. This here says it's, oh, that was it. This here's a 12 by 16 rectangular firm filled with polyfill. That's what it's telling me. So now that we got it out of the bag, you get to see what it looks like. Just a small pillow, and you can buy the filler. So I'll bring you back as soon as I get my machine ready, and you can come sew with me. Good morning. We're going to make a small pillow out of placemats that you get at the Dollar Tree or anywhere you want to buy your placemat at. We're going to make a pillow. And what we're going to do is we've got the placemats, we got a pillow, a small pillow that will fit this, or you can use pillow stuffing or just plain stuffing. And also, if you don't want to sew this, you can use what they call tacky glue. And tacky glue will hold this. And I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the ends of mine with the pillow. I'm not sure if I'm going to take the pillow out, be able to take it out, make another little slip cover. If I'm going to put, at the end, you could put a button. Whoops, turned around this way. You could put a button on the end, or you could put Velcro to hold it together. I'm not sure yet. I have my sewing machine here, right here, my brother's, and we're gonna get going. So hold on, I'll bring you back. Okay folks, I'm back. I'm all ready to start. I had some difficulties with my thread, but I think it's all straightened out. Okay, like I said, you want 2 placemats, okay? You want to put the 2 right sides together, and we're going to stitch it on the machine. Here we go. This here's a brother's machine that I'm using. Whoops. Take the tag off here. Drop the screwdriver. Okay, cut these tags off, just like this. Hopefully my machine will go through it. My machine's been giving me problems the last couple of times I've used it. And we'll sew it right here. And you can sew it by hand if this doesn't work. So you don't have to use a sewing machine. You can, what they call stitch whip. Okay, here we go. Just like this. You can follow this outer stitch right here. When it works good. Okay. I'm going to sew down the sides now. Make sure they're lined up. As you can see, this doesn't take long at all. A lot quicker than if you had to hand stitch. I'm multitasking this morning. I've got laundry going, I've got this going, got to go uptown, do an errand. Kind of a busy day today. Got a big snowstorm coming in tomorrow. Now you can see how these placemats didn't line up? So you should check them when you buy them to see if they're going to be about the same in width. And what I'll do is I'll use that for my opening. That's not a problem. Okay. There. Now I want to show you by not having right here, see how they're different sized, but that's okay. We'll put the pillow on this side, not a problem, or the stuffing. So we got that sewn and we got that. We just have one more side to sew. That's it. How quick and easy is that? Pretty darn, if you ask me. Here we go. What's the matter, Pumpkin? Let Mama finish this and Mama put you out. Got a dog that wants to go out. There, see, we're almost done sewing. How easy peasy is this? Again, you want to make sure, try to get 2 placemats that are basically the same size. I did look, but apparently I didn't look close enough. But that's okay, that's no worries. There you go. I'm gonna pan the camera up now. Okay. There, I think I got it up. I do. I'm gonna move the sewing machine. Now I want you to see it's all sewn all the way around. And see what the difference was right here, which that's not going to make a difference. So I'm going to pan you back down so you can see me finish. Okay, now that you can see that, this is the little pillow we're using right here. Snip that off. I got the pillow at Walmart, so I'm not sure exactly how much they cost. So what we're going to do is turn this just like this. But where can you get a tapestry pillow? $2 for this if you got stuffing. If not, you buy your stuffing in a big bag or you buy a pillow. And if you don't have a sewing machine, quick tacky right there. Just go along the lines and put it down. Just getting this out here. Just getting the tips out on the ends there. How good is that going to look? Okay. Here we go. Putting it in. These small pillows fit perfect. Just like that. Wow, that wind sure is blowing out there. Okay, folks, And once you get it in, you just play around with a pillow, get it the way you want. And look at that. How cute is that? And here, I think what I'm going to do on the end, I'm not sure yet, but I'm gonna maybe just put a button here so they can take it out and wash it. Or I may put 3 buttons, 1, 2, and 3. Or I may just put some Velcro, just like that. So there you go, folks. A pillow made out of tapestry, placemats from the dollar store. Easy peasy. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up. A lot of action going on here with me. You never know what's going to be going on. And today I'll also, this here's the Christmas pillow. And if anybody is interested, this is an apron that I'll be making. Just show you the fabric. Right there. That's apron number 1. And this is apron number 2. If anybody is interested, it's $20. That includes shipping. And that's the other one. Please let me know. This is apron number 2 so I can get shipped out to you so you can have it for the holidays, for Thanksgiving. I will be making some other ones, but these are the ones that I'll be having right now that I'll be busy with. So like I say, you never know what's going to be on my channel, and you never know. Like I said, every day is different. Every day I never know what I'm going to do myself. So you can find me on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. And I'm known as Maniac Grammy on Facebook. And here again is the tapestry pillow. How pretty is that? And these are placemats from the Dollar Tree. So, have a wonderful day. God bless. See you on my next video. Bye now.